Guys, how's it going? And I just figured out what was wrong with the dogs. They were just hungry, okay? But, without further ado, no, you better stay your butt out there. See, there's Julius. But this is what I'm worried about. What the frick is this pink thing? See, I was getting worried a little. Come here, Julius. Julius, you better. Julius, come here. You cannot have this. Julius, no. But look, this pink thing right here, I think it's just hair that fell off. Cause I'm just gonna tell him his hair a little bit, like, fell off, or just, he was in the backyard, I think, scratched it on the wall on his head, or like on the dirt. His head was so dirty, that I had to clean it off. It's just a pink thing, because on his neck right here, you don't, look up, dog. But with the pink thing, let me see, cause you barely see nothing right there. They just need something to eat. That's why they look so, tired. So, is that you, Julius? Oh, what? Sorry. The chair makes a toot sound, but it's like a toot, but it's like, I swear that wasn't me, but I'm just saying. See? It's on the rocks right there, so either way, I'm done. Can't wait to see Tyler's tattoo. No, not yet. I think he'll be alright, guys. I think he'll be alright. Oh, he'll be alright. I'm just saying, he will be alright. Just hair fall off, or just a scratch on his head. Yeah. I was getting worried a little bit. Cause I'm just saying to myself, what should I do? What should I do? All that stuff. What's wrong, Julius? Come here, Julius. Uh-oh. Julius, come here. Come here, Julius. Come here, Julius. Julius, come here. Come on. You okay? Guys, I would actually see you guys later, so peace. Yeah, see you in the next video, so peace.